Two brothers carved wood in a village nestled in a pine forest. Kaito, the elder brother, was impatient, and he chose the straightest, easiest pieces of wood to carve. He would make simple bowls and toys and sell them in bulk at the market. His younger brother, Ren, was a dreamer. He would spend hours in the forest touching the gnarled roots and the knotted trunks of trees. He would bring home wood that others had rejected and carve it for days, sometimes weeks. He would run his hands over the grain, seeing shapes in the knots and imagining the stories trapped inside. One day, a great festival was announced, and the emperor's minister would come to choose a masterpiece for the palace. Kaito worked furiously on an elaborate vase from a perfect block of sandalwood. It was smooth, symmetrical, and highly polished. Ren, however, went back to a large, twisted piece of oak that he had found after a storm. He spent a month looking at it, then began to carve. He didn't force his will upon the wood, but instead followed its natural lines. The burls became the scales of a dragon. The twisted grain became the swirling clouds around it, and a natural fork in the wood became the tip of a mountain peak. On the day of the festival, the minister passed by Kaito's vase with a nod of approval, but he stopped dead in his tracks when he saw Ren's carving. He walked around it 3 times, his eyes wide. He saw not a carving, but a scene, a wild, powerful, and breathtaking scene that seemed to have grown naturally from the wood. The minister chose Ren's piece for the palace, and Ren became a master artist for generations to come.